Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are learning the second lesson and that is playing with numbers. In previous videos you learned how to find the prime factors of the given number. In today's class we are going to learn the divisibility rules. Then what is this divisibility rule? See here, the rules of division help us to check whether a number is an exact divisor of a given number or not. This is called the test of divisibility. Okay, so let us learn some divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 7 and 11. See here, if you understood this, then you can solve your exercise 2.2, 10th main, 11th main and 12th main. Okay, so let us start the divisibility rule of 2. See a rule of 2. Then what is this rule of 2? Okay, see here, in ones place 0, 1, 2, sorry not 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If this digits, if you will find in ones place, then that number is completely divisible by 2. So this is the rule of 2. In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Let us take one example, 426. See here, without dividing you come to know whether this number is divisible by 2. Yes, this number is divisible by 2 because in ones place we have 6. In ones place we have a 6 number. So this number is divisible by 2. Let us take one more example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 6. Then tell me, without dividing I come to know this number is divisible by what? This number is divisible by 2. Why? Because in ones place 8 is there, then this number is completely divisible by 2. Okay, see here, without dividing directly I come to know whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So they are which help us whether this number is divisible by no. So they are the divisibility rules. The divisibility rules are very helpful while finding the LCM and HCF. Okay, so I hope you understood the divisibility rule of 2. Next here, rule of 3. Next here, rule of 3. Rule of 3. So let us take one example here, 1, 2, 3, 3. So I took this number and add these numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 and add this number, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. Then tell me, 9 is there in 3 ones a table? Yes, it is the multiple of 3. Then this number is divisible by 3. So this is one example. You add the given digits. Take here this, for example I will take one more here, 9 and 6. So add this number, 9 plus 6, how much? Yes, it is 15 and 15 is the multiple of, yes, the 15 is the multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, you take given digits and if the number is the multiple of 3, then this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so now I taught divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. So let us take the divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. Yes, here you take one example, 6, 4, 2, 8. 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 8. In this case, you take only these two digits, means ones and tens place. Check, this number is the multiple of 4. Yes, because 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. So this is the multiple of 4. Then this number is divisible by 4. Are you getting my point? See here, 6 4 2 8. See here, you have to take only last two digits. Whether if this number is there in 4 ones a table, then this number is divisible by what? 4. There is no need to divide this all the number. By observing this last two digits, we come to know whether this number is divisible by 4. So here divisibility rule of 2 over, 3 over and 4 also over. Next here divisibility rule of 5. divisibility rule of 5. See here, in ones place 0 and 5 is there, means in ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. So let us take here one example of 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see here in ones place 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. Let us take one more example, 4, 2, 8, 9, 0. See here in ones place 0 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. See here in ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. Okay, so I hope this is understood to you. Next you take one more rule of 6. This is rule of 6. See here, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6 also. So let us take one example here, 6, 4, 2. Okay, 6, 4, 2. See here, in ones place 2 is there, means this number is divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. Isn't it? Already I told divisibility rule of 2. In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Okay, then you add this number 6 plus 4 plus 2. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3. It means this number is divisible by 3 also. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so here you learnt the rule of 2, rule of 3, rule of 4, rule of 5 and rule of 6. So let us see the rule of 7. Rule of 7. Here little bit you have to know. See here, I will take one example, 5, 3, 2. Okay, 5, 3, 2. So you need to double this number. You need to double this number. Then what is 2's double is? That is 4. Okay, then you subtract 53 minus 4. Yes, then 13 minus 4 is, how much will come here? 9, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Then see here, 49 is there. Then 49 is the multiple of 7. Then this number is divisible by 7. Okay, see here. First you need to take this number 532. See its ones place. What is there in ones place? 2. Okay, so the 2's double is 4. The 2's double is 4. Okay, twice of the number you need to write here, and subtract this number from this remaining digits. So 53 minus 4, how much will come here? 49, and 49 is the multiple of 7. Then this number is divisible by 7. So this is the divisibility rule of 7. See here, to check the divisibility by 7, take the last of the digit, double it and subtract it from the remaining numbers. Okay, so here if I read means you will not understand. By solving example you come to know what is this divisibility rule. I hope you understood. Take this number and take its ones place, double it and subtract from the remaining digits, and if the number is a multiple of 7, then that number is divisible by 7. Okay, so next see here, a divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. So let us take here one example. See here the example for divisibility rule of 8 is this. For this you need to see its last 3 digits. Last 3 digits, if they are divisible by 8, then this whole number is divisible by 8. So take here 824 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Again you take 2. In 8 is 2 2, 8 is this, see this 2 is smaller than 8, then put 0 and take this 4 down, and 8 3s are 24. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this last 3 digit is there, not the divisible by 8, then this whole number is divisible by 8. See here so many rules are there. For this you need practice, so keep practicing. So this is the divisibility rule of 8. Okay, so here next one more rule, and that is divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9, and let us take one example. 9 3 6 8 1 9. 9 3 6 8 1 9. Add this number. The divisibility rule of 3 and the divisibility rule of 9 is same. Okay, here there also you added the sum of the digits. Here also you need to add the sums. 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9. Okay, so add this. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is, yes, how much here? 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 18, 26, and this 27. 27 plus 9 is, see here, 27 plus 9. 35. What will come here? 35. See here, 35 is the multiple of, see here, after adding this we will get here sum as a 36. Then 9 is the multiple of 9 is 36 is the multiple of 9. Yes, so this number is divisible by 9. See here, divisibility of rule of 3 and the divisibility rule of 9 is same. Okay, for this what we need to do here, we need to add all the digits. Okay, so next here you take the divisibility rule of 11. The divisibility rule of 11, and see here, I will take one example. 2 8 6 5 4 2 3. Okay, here you need to add the even digits and odd digits. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See here, I will add first this here odd digits. 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus, see here, 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. Add here, see here, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, next here you add this even digits. Even digits 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 4 is how much here? 12. 12 plus 2 is, see here, how much will come here? Yes, 8 plus 4 is, yes, here see, here we need to add this 5. So 8 plus 5 is how much here? 8 plus 5 is 13, and 13 plus 2 is 15. Next you subtract. 15 minus 15 is 0. If you got 0 as an answer, then you are, see here, if you got 0 as an answer, then this number is divisible by 11. First you need to add its odd digits. Next you need to add here its even places. Add it, and after subtracting, if you get 0 as an answer, then that number is divisible by 11. So these are the some divisibility rules. See here, by using these rules you can solve page number 24, exercise 2.1, 10th main, 11th main and 12th main. If you understood this, then you can solve this examples. So please keep practicing this kind of examples. So here I taught the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. See here, to keep this, remember, you need more practice. So please keep practicing this rules. Okay, in next class I will teach you how to find the HCF by prime factorization method, by long division method. Yes, in next class we will continue. Okay, so please keep practicing this all the examples. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.